It's me, Dr. Rod again. We have another amazing, wonderful success story to be shared today for one of our clients, Mr. Hisham from Jordan. We just received his Canadian permanent residence visa stamp on his passport from the Canadian Embassy in Abu Dhabi. And I would love to open the package in front of you. Meantime, I will share some information about our clients who choose our company from the very beginning to help him and get the visa as soon as possible. Mr. Hisham worked as a translator in Abu Dhabi for such a long time. He's married to lovely Canadian citizen, Miss Laura, and for a long time they've been living together in Abu Dhabi until probably a year ago or so they make up their mind about moving to Canada and live together in Canada. They retain our company. We hold them. It was amazing, straightforward process, full cooperation from the client side. And here we are. We have his Canadian visa. He's a Canadian permanent residence visa holder. His visa valid until 27th of June 2023. And this is also his landing paper. Definitely, Mr. Hisham will enjoy the same right and the privilege like any other Canadian citizen, including access to world-class education and definitely to world-class healthcare for free. And that's also applicable for all his future children. Mr. Hisham, successful translator, and he's been working for such a long time. He's been referred by one of our previous lovely clients who also retained our company many years ago, and they are living happily in Canada at the moment. His success story definitely should inspire all of you to make the right choice in choosing our company. Our company been operating for such a long time, helping our clients not only for Canada, also for Europe, Australia and New Zealand and United States, and all other non-immigrant visa categories. We feel very proud that we provide personalized services for all our clients. We treat each one of them as a single brother and sister. I'm very happy right now. I have not met him in person, frankly speaking, Mr. Hisham. He's one of our clients in Abu Dhabi branch, and we just happily received his immigrant visa here. And this is his landing paper confirming he's about to land in Canada, hopefully very soon, enjoying the same right and the privilege. Definitely, we will extend the same quality of service, same dedication for all our future clients, despite of any difficulties we may come across during the process. And Mr. Hisham was fully cooperative throughout the entire process. He chose us from the very beginning. He believed in us, and he got the result in such relatively a short time, about 1 year. And I'm so happy for him. I'm happy if I get the chance to meet him. And I hope from everyone who watching our video clips right now to make the right choice by choosing our company. Our company proud to provide dedicated service over 36 years, and we're gonna continue to do so. And we are over 40,000 plus successful clients mark our success over the years from a variety of programs, from different spots of the world, from different nationality. We are committed to every single person, every single client who retain our company to fight for them until at the end. And not only that, even though the journey technically could be ended now, but we will continue our service until they are well settled in their future destiny. Until I see you in other success story, whether Canadian visa, Australian visa, American visa, European work permit, European golden visas. I wish you all the best from NASC, and hopefully next time more of you knows that NASC is the best choice. Until then, all the best from me personally and from the entire team. Thanks a lot for giving us those 2-3 minutes to share the new success story. All the best for Mr. Hisham and his lovely wife to enjoy their new countries and new country of residence and new